Hi, my name is Justin and I'm 20 years old. I'm a youth from the Chinese Annual Conference and an organizer for this year's Steps for a Cause. Running has always been meaningful for me. It challenges me to push my limits and make what was previously impossible possible. When pushing myself to the limit, I'm often reminded of the uphill path that many of the less fortunate have to walk, some having to push themselves to the limits daily just to survive. Steps for a Cause is a youth-initiated charity fundraiser run, organized by the Chinese Annual Conference Board of Youth Ministry, and is aimed at raising funds to aid the less fortunate in our society. Last year, I was one of the 200 runners from all walks of life who came together to raise $50,000 for the needy children, families, elderly, sick, and destitute among us. This year, I'm part of the organizing committee and we aim to raise another $80,000 for the 5,000 beneficiaries who are supported by the Methodist Welfare Services Community Service Programs. Please, help us help these people. Sign up for the Runathon and make your kind donation at the web addresses on your screen. If you've already signed up, I'll see you on the 18th for the runners briefing and the 24th for the runathon. Remember to raise as much as you can to help us hit our target.
Thank you for supporting Steps for a Cause 2013.